have, this is a WindTook backpack. I think they call it day pack. Right here, WindTook day pack B00352. Black, you probably noticed. And so, let's start from the front. This is actually quite, the material it's made out of is really, really tough. Really tight. I don't know what is, it's made the Oxford nylon stuff, but it is a tough one. I've dealt with a lot of bags. It's a tough one. Start with right up here. It has a pocket on the front. Not sure what you'd fit into it, but hold on. But see, so it's not quite tall enough to fit in a 10-incher. And see, it's a little too, not wide enough to put in sideways. So, but it's just a little pocket there. See how long it was right there. It's very flat. I'm not sure what it's for, but zippers are actually quite nice too. I don't think they're the YKK type, but anyway, we have the front here. This is actually quite long. Let's see if I fit my laptop in here. Ooh, almost. See, this is a 15-incher, so. But this slides into it real easy. Boom, because it goes all the way down to right here. Oh, it goes all the way down to the bottom. All right. Clever. So, see if it fits sideways. Let me see. Almost. Oh, there we go. No, almost. Okay, this, like I said, just a quick one, but it will fit. Open this up. What it has here, it's almost clamshell. It really opens up quite nicely, but it'll fit a 15er real easy right here. And this says for like phone. I don't know why, because this fits a whole tablet in here.
8:04 p.m.
Irish. And then drop this over the top. Boom. Hold both of them like that. Then you can put in your little, see, it says RFID right here. As if you're going to put your wallet in there. I don't know. But let me test this. How tall this in here is. 2. Not quite as tall. But it'll fit that way. Anyway, drop this back in there. Then this, I like to put little gadgets on. You've probably seen these. They're really cool. Fit right in there. Then it has kind of a deep pocket here. Let me check here. This has extra padding on the bottom, I'm feeling here. Extra padding on the bottom of the pocket here that holds your laptop, so it gives a little bit more cushion on the bottom. So anyway, they have another pocket here. Here's where I put my phone. It's great for a phone. And then right next to it, little power bank, RAV power, cool. Slide this in there, and then of course it goes to outside. Does a double zipper thing, zip it either way. Locks up on top. And these do compress if you need. You can pull them and tighten them if you have this too full or something. And also there's a little, well, not so little, right here. Let me show you how tall this is. Has another little zipper here, which, I don't know, you stash your stuff in there. Not sure, but it's a nice size you put in the back. It also has these. Not sure why the handle's on the front here. Because some of them, it has a handle right here if you need to pull it this way, but not sure what these are for. Maybe your friend can shake some sense into you or something. And see, there's no water bottles on the side, anything like that. But so it does have this USB port that comes out that's connected to the The power bank. Only thing is I wish this was a little bit higher or turned that way, because it's here in Portland. It rains a lot, so if you set it down, it might get a little bit of rain inside there, or just you set it down and may bump into the cord right there. I'm not quite sure how you'd overcome that, but it's kind of long. Anyway, really tough stuff here. And the other thing is it fits great. Other thing is has this little place to hide your weed, I guess. Not that on the other side. And these actually right here, highly reflective. So you get dots that reflect back. And I think that's about all I can say about it. I was just demonstrating what it has. See if it's something that you're interested in, or see if it'll work for you. And that's it. So hopefully,